All right, guys, so today we're gonna get the parking lights working on here. And after doing a bit of research, it's not that difficult. It's actually very easy. I think this will pretty much work on any JDM car, being as that you know where certain things are located. So let me explain to you what I did. I wrote down on my little dry erase board what you really need to figure out. And again, on the Evo, this is all you got to do. And this pertains to this connector. I will be going and getting OEM connectors from the junkyard, but this is just for testing purposes. So again, you know, red turn signal, black's pretty much always your ground, and blue's your driving light. So I have a nice $16 bulb, as you guys can see. I have it configured, and then on the Evos, they have a driving light that is in the headlight. Let's see if I can get. So actually I pulled the bulb out of it. The previous owner had put this in here. This is the LED, even though it's really not that bright. So basically I tapped into, that's your signal, and that will, because when you turn the park lights on now, the light I'm tapping into is on in the headlight, and that's, you know, obviously on both sides. So this goes for both. So I just tapped into that, and then the, you know, the ground and the driving light, and then this is your signal wire. So let me go turn it on, show you guys what I'm talking about. Again, car is off. So as you can see, now we have nice bright parking light, and I'll show you on the passenger side. You can see the light is on inside of the headlight and nothing is lit up here. So just so you know why we're doing, and yes, I am leaving this in there. So that is how you wire a JDM car, or an Evo in this instance, for park lights. And I will show you that it works on all functions. I will click the put the hazards on, and these are already converted to LED bulbs. I think they're 194s. These are, I'm converting this to an 1157, if you guys are wondering. And again, yes, it blinks, but just to kind of show that it still works as intended. That's not going to change that function, but, and as you can see, these blink at the same time. There's none of that quick, you know, blinking stuff going on. So that is how you do that. So the next video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to wire in some OEM buckets for the 1157 bulbs, because that's a pretty common bulb. Not just Mitsubishis, they have Hondas, Toyotas. It's used in all makes. But I'm going to Louisiana for Thanksgiving, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone here in the States. And I'm going to get the buckets, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So this is the, all of this is just a harness, and see, this is part of the factory harness here. This is a new bucket. I did shave it, and I did get one to fit with the bulb in here, but I don't like that because it's kind of ghetto. I don't really care to do that. So, and what I mean by the bucket is this connector here, this bulb would normally plug into it, and this is for an 1156. Now I'm going to keep on my stock stuff, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get me 2 pigtails like this, and I'm going to wire it in, and I'm going to run a wire probably along the harness and probably loop it back around, because again, I want this to look as OEM as absolutely possible. I don't want a hack job, none of that stuff. I'm actually going to try to figure out a different way. I really don't want to use taps, like the little T-taps. think I have some right here. I may end up going this route, but I really don't want to. You know, you can use these to tap into the signal wire, and then, you know, when you close it, you can put the little connector on there and all that stuff. I really, hopefully, don't have to go this route. I'm gonna try to not go that route, but I may have to end up doing that. But if I do, it'll be heat shrunk and hidden, because again, I want this to look as OEM as possible, as clean as possible, and I want to hook all this stuff up and forget that I've ever done it. Like, I want it to function, and I don't want to have to worry about it again. So sorry guys, this is kind of a short video, but anyway, I love you guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. If there's something you'd have done different, let me know in the comments. But anyway, guys, love you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Later.